Just a couple of weeks back, Realme announced the 7 series smartphones, which includes the Realme 7, 7 Pro, and the more affordable 7i. Now, just like the 6 series, this lineup promises capable specs and features at affordable price points. Hey guys, Kevin here, you're with The Modern Creatures, and today, for this unboxing video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Realme 7 Pro. But again, before we proceed, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. Also, be sure to stick around until after the unboxing because we have a special something just for you guys. And a quick hint, it involves me and Vika on a showdown. Before we get ahead of ourselves, let's first get on with the unboxing. Okay, here we go, the 7 Pro box, but now it's still wrapped in plastic, so let's just quickly remove that. Alright. So okay, let's check out the box. So we have the key specs right here. You have a 65-watt super dart charge that promises, if I'm not mistaken, 30%. It'll be able to charge from 0 to 100%, and a Snapdragon 720G processor for mobile gaming, a Sony 64-megapixel quad camera, so okay, that's nice to know, and a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED full screen. As for the rest of the specs, we have 8GB RAM, 128 gigs of storage. Ours come in mirror blue, so we're interested to see how that looks. So yeah, that's about it, and let's begin the unboxing. There we go. Let's embrace a new journey. I like how Realme has this one-liner every time you unbox their devices. It adds a bit of a, a unique touch to for the consumers. So that's good. In this box, we have the quick guide and information guide. Alright. And of course, you have the included jelly case, which has a bit of a darker tint. So let's see how that looks on the device later on. Okay, now let's take this tab right here so we can get to the device itself. Let's set this aside for now and head on to the rest. Okay, wow, you have a rather big power brick over here, and it clearly says Super Dart, so that's their latest charging technology. And it comes, of course, with its own USB Type-C cable. And lastly, we have the SIM ejector tool. So there are no earphones included, and it's pretty much these things. So alright, let's now head to the device itself. So up front we see an indicator which shows the fingerprint location. So basically it's an under display fingerprint sensor and not the side mounted one that we found on other more affordable offerings. So let's try to pull this wrapper. There we go. The device itself. Let's check out the color. Alright. So it has a matte blue finish. It has that gradient glow, as you can see, depending on where the light touches it. And of course, you have the 64 AI quad camera setup right here with its LED flash right there. And now we go for a closer look at its physique as well as its other features. Alright, so as I've mentioned earlier, we will be doing something special after the unboxing, and that something special is none other than Realme's 7-minute charge challenge.
Yes, basically Realme asked us what we could do in 7 minutes while the 7 Pro charges from 0. So we decided to challenge each other to a drawing contest to see who could best draw this Pikachu in 7 minutes.
Yes, as you can see, it's a very limited edition Pikachu. I don't even know why we have that here. But just to let you know, guys, we're not really good drawers, so this will definitely be a challenge for the both of us.
Alright, so without further ado, let's plug in the 7 Pro.
Plugging in with its proprietary cable.
Start timer.
Hey Google, timer 7 minutes.
Okay, 7 minutes. And that's starting now.
Okay, let's start and go draw.
Alright, go ahead.
Plus points for creativity.
Okay. It's my first line and I'm regretting it already.
I don't like staring at it.
It's like it said a really bad joke. I'm not so sure about what I'm doing. Hey Google, how many minutes left on the timer?
There's 2 minutes and 56 seconds.
Okay, so we're down to 2 minutes and I'm not yet close to being done.
Yes, demon teeth.
I have to color it, right?
If you can in 2 minutes.
You've got 1 minute and 48 seconds to go.
Okay. I think I'm doing well. I think I'll be able to finish this.
Looking.
Look.
I'm sorry.
Don't look!
I'm sorry, I saw.
How many minutes left on the timer?
It's so ugly.
T-minus 27 seconds.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so we have
20
20 seconds
less
left
than 30 seconds, you guys.
on the timer.
I don't know what's
So I'm
happening.
just doing my finishing touches because yeah, I think I'm done.
No!
Alright, so that's the
No!
timer. Pencils down. Alright, so that's 7 minutes. Stop. Let's see how many percent.
Wait, I want to sign it. I want to sign it.
Okay. So let's.
You can check. I'm gonna sign it.
Okay, let's first see how many percent did the dart charge really, do for the 7 Pro. Okay, so here it is. It's at 26%. So there you go. 26%. What do you think?
It's really not bad because if you're in a rush and you only have 7 minutes,
Or so, it will get you around 26 to maybe 30%. So there we go. In 7 minutes, we were able to also draw Pikachu. And now I think it's time
our limited edition Pikachu.
to show you guys how we did. Let me see first.
It's brilliant.
Okay, I think we should show them at the same time. Okay, ready? Okay, here we go.
So at least yours has a body. I didn't get to the body.
So, okay. And that's about it for our special unboxing and hands-on video, as well as our 7-minute charge challenge. Tell us, who do you think had the better drawing? Was it me or was it Vika? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thanks so much for watching.